There are two different ways to pay off debt. There's the snowball method and the avalanche method. The snowball method works by paying off your smallest debts first. So that means like if you have a $300 charge and a $3,000 charge, the $300 charge is going to get paid off first because it's the smallest. The avalanche method instead takes a look at what are the interest rates. So if we're using the avalanche method to pay off the 300 and the 3,000, we would take a look and see, well, what interest rates are they sitting at? And let's say the 300 was sitting at 5%, while the 3,000 was sitting at 19.49%. We're going to pay off the 3,000 first because it's costing us more money. That's kind of one of the problems with the avalanche method is you don't see a lot of progress really fast, especially if you have a lot of debt, because it takes a while to get that debt paid off. The benefit of the avalanche method is that over time, you're not paying as much money out in interest as you would if you use the snowball method. So you will be saving yourself some money. And that's money that you can then have allocated so you can pay off even more debt. So which system is better? It depends on how you think. That's it. It comes down to that. How does your brain work? If you need the gratification of seeing progress and crossing things off the list, if you need that, then you're probably going to want to go with the snowball method. If you want to save as much money as you possibly can, then you're going to go with the avalanche method. But what happens if you need the kick and you also want to save as much money? Well, you could kind of combine the two. Maybe you take out a snowball to start with and then you go with the avalanche. So you have that momentum. You're like, yeah, goodbye $300. And now you can then work on your avalanche method. It really depends on how your brain works.